how to withdraw money from Survey Junkie. So it's very easy to do. Here I'm on the official website, and on the right you will be able to see your points, and if we click on USD you will be able to see your balance in US dollars. Now if we want to withdraw this money to our account, we will click on rewards here on the left, and if we scroll down a little bit you will see PayPal and bank transfers. So for both of these you will need to have at least 500 points, which is going to be $5. And once you accumulate 500 points, you can click on PayPal to link your PayPal account and cash out to PayPal, or you can do bank transfers, which will take a little bit longer, but again, you will need to have at least 500 points. You will click on explore here if you want to do bank transfer, and you will just follow the prompts, and that's how you can withdraw your money. Another way of how you can get your money is through gift cards here, Amazon, Walmart, and Apple gift cards. You can choose one of these. And again, if you have 500 points, you can cash out for at least $5 US. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.